Vecto is our next-gen take on illuminated channel letters, arguably the most recognizable and widely used element in brand signage. We've taken everything that people love about channel letters and have reimagined them with a cleaner, more modern look.
Traditional letters use a trim cap, and that's a plastic or rubber that holds the vase in place, like you see here. Problem is, over time, the trim cap can crack or dry out, leading to maintenance issues. It also gives the letter a chunky, outdated look, especially on smaller letters. In the standard trimless style, the acrylic base is routed with a step cut so it fits into the return and is typically held in place with adhesive and then screwed in from the side. That eliminates the visible trim cap and gives a more cleaner, modern appearance. But even those have a slight visible glow on the edge, depending on the material.
That's where Vecto comes in. We created a truly flush face. No edge lighting, no trim. Just a crisp, clean look that sits perfectly in against the return. So in the off state, these look like dimensional letters, non-illuminated. When they turn on though, the look is just stunning.